When it comes to modern kitchen appliances, the Frigidaire Gallery 36-inch electric induction cooktop stands out as a top contender. This built-in 5-burner cooktop combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it a valuable addition to any contemporary kitchen. In this comprehensive review, we will delve into the features, performance, and overall value of this induction cooktop, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your culinary needs. The Frigidaire electric induction cooktop boasts a stylish and minimalistic design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The cooktop is constructed with vitroceramic glass, which not only looks sleek and modern, but is also highly durable. The black glass surface enhances the aesthetic appeal while offering practicality, as it is easy to clean and maintain. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its advanced induction technology. Unlike traditional electric or gas cooktops, induction cooktops use electromagnetic energy to directly heat the cookware. This means the cooktop itself remains relatively cool to the touch, reducing the risk of burns and making it safer for households with children. The Frigidaire electric induction cooktop excels in providing rapid heat. This is particularly beneficial for busy households or individuals who need to prepare meals quickly. The induction technology ensures that the cookware heats up almost instantly, allowing you to boil water or sear meats in a fraction of the time it would take with a conventional cooktop. Another significant advantage of this induction cooktop is its ability to distribute heat evenly across the cookware. This results in consistently cooked meals without the hot spots that can occur with other cooking methods. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or frying a steak, you can expect uniform heat and perfect results every time. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a chore, but the Frigidaire electric induction cooktop makes it effortless. Because the cooktop itself doesn't get hot, spills and splatters do not burn onto the surface. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is usually all that's needed to keep the cooktop looking pristine. This feature not only saves time but also ensures that your kitchen remains hygienic. One of the most intelligent features of this cooktop is its auto-sizing pan detection. The cooktop can detect the size of the cookware and adjust the heating element accordingly. This means that only the area directly under the pan gets heated, making the cooktop highly energy efficient. You don't have to worry about wasting energy on heating areas that are not in use, which also contributes to lower electricity bills. The Frigidaire electric induction cooktop is designed to accommodate a variety of cooking needs with its 5 burners. Whether you're cooking a large family meal or just heating a small pot of soup, you'll find a burner that suits your needs. Moreover, this cooktop is approved for installation above any Frigidaire single electric wall oven, adding to its versatility and making it a perfect choice for a cohesive kitchen setup. Safety is a paramount consideration in any kitchen appliance, and the Frigidaire electric induction cooktop does not disappoint. In addition to staying cool to the touch, the cooktop features a residual heat indicator that alerts you when a burner is still hot after cooking. This helps prevent accidental burns. The cooktop also has an automatic shut-off feature that turns off the heat if no cookware is detected, adding an extra layer of safety and energy efficiency. Using the Frigidaire electric induction cooktop is a pleasant and intuitive experience. The touch controls are highly responsive and easy to use, allowing you to adjust temperatures and settings with precision. The LED display is bright and clear, making it easy to monitor the cooking process. The cooktop's design ensures that it remains user-friendly, even for those who may not be familiar with induction cooking. In terms of performance, the Frigidaire electric induction cooktop excels in every aspect. The combination of fast heating, even heat distribution, and precise temperature control makes cooking a joy rather than a chore. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this cooktop provides the tools you need to create delicious meals with ease. Considering the advanced features, high performance, and sleek design, the Frigidaire Gallery 36-inch electric induction cooktop offers excellent value for money. It may have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional cooktops, but the benefits of induction cooking, along with energy savings and ease of maintenance, make it a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, the Frigidaire Gallery 36-inch electric induction cooktop is a top-tier appliance that combines style, functionality, and advanced technology. Its fast heating capabilities, even heat distribution, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for any modern kitchen. The added safety features and easy-to-clean surface further enhance its appeal, ensuring that it meets the needs of today's busy households. If you're in the market for a high-quality induction cooktop, the Frigidaire electric induction cooktop should be at the top of your list. By investing in this cooktop, you're not just upgrading your kitchen, you're enhancing your cooking experience and taking a step towards more efficient and enjoyable meal preparation. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.